In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu in Spanish, so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies with Spanish audio or subtitles. Let's get started. Hulu offers a variety of content in Spanish, including TV shows, movies, and live TV options. Here's how to access it. Sign up for Hulu. If you don't already have a Hulu subscription, sign up for a plan at hulu.com. Any plan will work, but Hulu Plus Live TV is ideal if you want access to Spanish-language live channels. Search for Spanish content. Open the Hulu app or website and use the search bar to look for Spanish-language shows or movies. You can also browse categories like Latino or International to find content tailored to Spanish-speaking audiences. Change audio or subtitles. For shows or movies available in Spanish, start playing the content and check the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Look for options to change the language for audio or subtitles. Select Español as your preferred language if available. Explore live TV channels. With Hulu plus Live TV, you can access Spanish-language channels like Univision, Telemundo, and ESPN Deport. Go to the Live TV section and browse the guide to find these channels. Download for offline viewing. If you're traveling or don't have internet access, download eligible Spanish-language shows or movies while connected to Wi-Fi. Access them later in the Downloads section. Use the Latino profile. Hulu allows multiple user profiles. Create a dedicated profile for Spanish content by selecting preferences that prioritize Latino and international programming. For the best experience, ensure your subscription includes access to live TV and on-demand content, as some Spanish shows may only be available through specific plans. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu in Spanish.